Because of COVID-19, we have a unique set of opportunities that might never come around again. While it's easy to be frustrated by what's happening in our lives, I feel that people all over the world have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Forced to stay in our homes with nowhere to go and nothing to do, it is important that we make the most of this extraordinary time. How can we make sure we do just that? Here are my 3 tips. First, and perhaps most importantly, there is rarely a better investment than yourself. Now, investing in yourself can take many forms. Maybe you've always wanted to eat healthier or to exercise more and get in shape, but never had the time. Maybe you've always wanted to learn how to paint, or to bake bread, or to learn computer coding. Or maybe you've always wanted to start your side hustle, or set up that store on Etsy and sell your artwork. Now you can do those things. For many of us, lack of time is no longer a valid excuse. Next, we should take this time to reflect on the most important parts of our lives, and that is our relationships. If you have children who are stuck at home with you, spend some extra time with them. If you haven't cooked dinner or watched a movie or played a tabletop game with your spouse or significant other recently, do it. If you have parents or siblings or aunts and uncles or grandparents that you haven't communicated with recently, reach out to them. Set up a Zoom call for all of your relatives to join. My entire extended family gets together in the same place at most once every 2 years. Since we were all confined to our homes, we were able to all call in and have a rare, whole family experience a few weeks ago. That would have never happened if not for the circumstances we're in right now. Last but certainly not least, now is the perfect time to build a strong foundation for your financial future. If you're not setting aside an hour on a monthly basis to create a spending plan for the coming month, there's never been a better time to start. Have you taken a look at your various insurance policies lately to make sure you have the appropriate amount of coverage and that you're paying a fair monthly price? Now you can do just that. If you have some debt, do you have a plan to get it paid off in a specific amount of time and start building wealth? If not, make one. Side note, in the coming weeks, I'm going to be posting more videos that will explore all of these topics, from budgeting to insurance to paying off debt. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Years from now, you can look back and remember COVID-19 for canceling your vacation or keeping you from celebrating a birthday, or you can look back and feel that it was an extraordinary time that transformed your life into the one you've always wanted. Let's keep this conversation going. What are you doing to make the most of your time while you're stuck at home? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with more great personal finance content.